All right, guys, welcome back to the garage. So today is going to be a simple little video, nothing major. It's just one of those things where I was shopping around on Amazon like everyone does and came across these license plate lights that actually replace the whole housing instead of just putting a bulb in there. So I thought, why not? Let's try it out. I was going to stick a bulb in the factory housing, but then I saw these things and decided to pick one up. Now, there's multiple brands on Amazon and eBay. They probably all come from the same place. So I just picked one. This one happens to be iJDM toy. So we'll see. All right, as far as getting this stock housing out, pretty simple. 2 Phillips screws up there, and that housing should pop right out. Only thing to know is those screws can become soft. So use a good Phillips screwdriver so that you don't strip the heads, and then you end up having to drill those out. All right, here you can see the old housing and then the new LED. It's got a full LED board in there, and it's the same shape, so it goes in the same way. Then you got your 194 plug. That'll just plug right in here in place of the bulb. Pull that bulb out. And I'll probably add a little bit of dielectric grease in there just to protect this connection. And then you slide it in there and screw it in. All right, now before we screw this back up there, we want to check to verify that they work. Now note, the correct orientation is these tabs go to the back like this. It can be confusing because it could also fit this way, but you want it that way. Now a little trick, this thing can be really difficult to get it up there and aligned with the screws. You just take yourself some tape, loop it like this, make yourself a handle to hold it, and it'll make it easier. All right, there it is installed. Make sure you don't crank on these screws too tight. Again, you don't want those to strip out. And there it is on. We'll wait till it's dark out and see how bright it really is. All right, let's see how this looks. Yeah, I think that'll do the job. Super bright, look at that. All right, there it is. Quick, easy little mod that you can do. You know, sometimes it's not about the big project. Sometimes it's about the little small things, you know. And those little small things over time will add up and make a difference. And plus, small, easy projects are fun, especially when they go smoothly like an easy bulb upgrade like that. But that's going to do it for this one. Small little video. Just thought I'd throw it out there. I'll link that one I got down in the description. And like I said, there's tons of different brands on Amazon and eBay, so I'm sure they're all the same thing. But appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.